So hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully you all are doing very well. Welcome back to my new video guys. So today's topic is how to make a Google account on a laptop and PC. Let's quickly start our video. If you watch this video once, you won't need to watch it again. It's that easy, right? So first open your Google. After opening Google Chrome, look downwards and you'll see a Gmail plus icon. Alright, you need to click on this. After clicking, you will see an option to add an account. You need to click on this. After clicking, you will see the option for create account at the bottom. Okay, so you need to click on this. Alright, so it's your choice. For what reason do you want to create an account? So here I select for my personal use. Okay, after doing that, see here the first name. You have to give your name here, which I am giving. After entering, click next. You need to enter your birth month. Alright, just pick anyone. Enter the year in which you were born there. Whether you are male or female, you can provide that here. Alright, then click next. After that, username. Click here and then click next. You have to enter the password here and confirm the password again. So I will enter the password here. After entering the password, simply click next. Okay. So you have to provide your phone number here. So you will have to enter the phone number here. Alright, so here I will give the phone number. That means, so you will need to enter the code here. I will show you the code here, 477327. Alright, so here simply go to the next. So your Gmail has been created, just click here. So guys, if you are liking our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye for now. See you in the next video.